5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
President Trump outlined a plan today to ensure America's dominance in space, he said.
My administration is reclaiming America's heritage as the world's greatest spacefaring nation.
Could America become the first cosmic superpower? President Trump's ambitious new space strategy aims to do just that. From lunar bases to Martian colonies, the US is gearing up for a space comeback that'll make the Apollo missions look like child's play. This plan could reshape the balance of power on Earth and beyond. How will this cosmic chess game unfold, and what does it mean for you? Stay tuned as we unpack the implications of this bold move that's set to redefine our future among the stars. America's space program, from glory to underdog. Remember when America ruled the cosmos? Those days seem like ancient history now. Back in the Apollo era, the US was the undisputed champion of space exploration. We planted our flag on the moon, sent rovers to Mars, and pushed the boundaries of human knowledge further than ever before. But somewhere along the way, we lost our edge. While America was resting on its laurels, other nations were busy catching up. China's been making some serious moves, launching ambitious missions to the moon and Mars. Russia's still a major player in the space game, and even India's joining the party with successful Mars missions of their own. The space race isn't just a two-horse race anymore, it's become a global competition. Let's look at some numbers. In recent years, the US has been lagging behind in launches. China's been consistently outpacing us, with Russia not far behind. It's not just about quantity, though. Who's got the most satellites, the best tech, the biggest dreams? And here's a shocker. Other countries' space budgets have been rapidly closing the gap with NASA's. How can America regain its lead in this cosmic arena? Enter President Trump's ambitious space strategy. It's a comprehensive plan covering everything from lunar bases to Mars missions, from space-based defense systems to partnerships with private space companies. The goal? To reassert American dominance beyond our planet and secure our place as the first true cosmic superpower. The moon, America's stepping stone to space dominance. Space enthusiasts, buckle up for an exciting journey to the moon. This isn't your grandpa's lunar mission. It's a strategic move in the new space race. China's already exploring the far side, and we're not about to be left behind. Why are we so eager to return? The moon's hiding incredible secrets in its shadows. Water ice, rare Earth elements, and who knows what else could be the key to deep space exploration. These lunar treasures might just be our ticket to Mars and beyond. Picture this: a permanent lunar base bustling with activity. Astronauts conduct cutting-edge experiments and test new technologies. It's not science fiction anymore, it's NASA's new roadmap. This base could be a test bed for innovations, a launch pad for deep space missions, and a statement of American dominance all rolled into one. But the moon is just the beginning. It's our cosmic boot camp for the ultimate goal, Mars. We're learning how to live and work in harsh environments, preparing for the challenges of long-term space habitation. The moon is like our training ground, getting us ready for the red planet. Scientists are working overtime to solve unexpected hurdles. How will we overcome the challenges of long-term space living? The moon might hold some answers, but many questions remain. America wants to lead this cosmic adventure, paving the way for humanity's next giant leap. The race to Mars is on, and the moon is our crucial first step. Mars, the ultimate prize in the new space race. Buckle up, space enthusiasts. we're blasting off to Mars, the most ambitious part of Trump's cosmic plan. While NASA dreams of reaching the red planet by 2033, Trump's aiming for American boots on Martian soil by 2028. That's less than a decade to turn sci-fi into reality. But why Mars? It's not just about planting flags and snapping selfies. This mission could lead to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Imagine uncovering evidence of ancient microbial life or unlocking the secrets of Mars' geological history. We might even find resources that could revolutionize space exploration. The challenges are as massive as the planet is red. We've got to keep astronauts alive for a 9-month journey, shielding them from deadly space radiation and preventing space madness. Landing on Mars is like trying to stick a cosmic dismount with its whisper-thin atmosphere. And once we're there, we'll face toxic soil, unbreathable air, and temperatures that make Antarctica look like a tropical paradise. So, how does Trump plan to make all this happen? He's betting big on the space industry's new golden boy. Elon Musk and SpaceX, the wild card in Trump's space strategy. Enter Elon Musk, the maverick billionaire who's become Trump's ace in the hole for America's cosmic comeback. SpaceX, Musk's brainchild, isn't just another cog in the space machine. It's the turbocharger that could propel the US back to the top of the space race. But can a private company really help America dominate the final frontier? That's the million-dollar question that's got everyone from NASA scientists to Pentagon brass scratching their heads. Let's break it down. SpaceX has been racking up wins like they're going out of style. Reusable rockets, check. Crew Dragon ferrying astronauts to the ISS, double check. And don't even get us started on Starship. That behemoth could be the key to unlocking Mars. But here's where it gets interesting. Musk isn't just playing by Trump's rulebook. He's got his own Martian dreams, and they're as big and bold as his personality. Now, you might be thinking, hold up, what about national security? Can we trust a private company with America's space secrets? It's a valid concern, and it's got people in Washington, D.C. losing sleep. But Trump's betting that the benefits outweigh the risks. After all, SpaceX has been delivering results faster than you can say, lift off, and at a fraction of the cost of traditional space programs. But SpaceX isn't the only player in this high-stakes game. Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin and Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic are nipping at Musk's heels. It's like a billionaire space race within the larger cosmic competition. And you can bet your bottom dollar that Trump's keeping a close eye on all of them. Here's the kicker, though. This isn't just about getting to Mars or planting a flag on the moon. It's about something much bigger. Remember all those challenges we talked about for living on Mars? The toxic soil, the lack of air, the killer radiation. Well, the tech being developed to solve these problems could have some serious earthly applications. We're talking revolutionary advances in agriculture, clean energy, and even medicine. It's like a cosmic research and development program with the potential to transform life right here on terra firma. But there's a catch. Balancing the interests of private companies with national goals is like trying to dock a spacecraft blindfolded. One wrong move and the whole mission could go off course. And let's not forget about the international implications. How will other countries react to America's private-public space alliance? The geopolitics of space, America's cosmic chess game. So you thought the space race was all about planting flags on distant planets? Think again. Trump's cosmic strategy is unveiling a high-stakes military showdown that's got the world on edge. But here's the kicker. The ultimate prize isn't floating in the stars. It's right here under our feet. Picture this. Space-based defense systems hovering above our heads, ready to zap incoming threats faster than you can say, Star Wars. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality. The outgoing Air Force Secretary dropped a bombshell. warning that by 2050, space will be the primary theater for military operations. Let that sink in for a moment. The final frontier is turning into the ultimate battlefield. But wait, there's more. Remember the good old days of international cooperation? The International Space Station, that shining beacon of global teamwork. Well, its future is looking shakier than a rocket on launch day. As nations scramble for cosmic dominance, the rules of the game are changing at warp speed. And let's talk about space resources. Who owns the moon? Who gets to mine those juicy asteroids? It's like a galactic gold rush, and everyone wants a piece of the pie. Trump's strategy aims to put America at the head of the table, calling dibs on the universe's riches. But here's the million-dollar question. How will other nations react? Will they play nice, or are we looking at a cosmic Cold War? But here's where it gets tricky. As the lines between private companies and governments blur in space, who gets to decide how these world-changing technologies are used? It's a cosmic can of worms, and the implications are mind-boggling. As we reach for the stars, Trump's space strategy isn't just about planting flags on distant worlds. It's about securing America's future in a new frontier that's both thrilling and terrifying. The challenges are enormous, like figuring out how to keep astronauts alive on Mars or defending against space-based threats. But the potential rewards? They're out of this world. Imagine the technological breakthroughs we could make, solving problems here on Earth while we conquer the cosmos. And let's not forget about those space resources waiting to be claimed. It's like a galactic gold rush, and Trump wants America to strike it rich first. As we stand on the brink of this new space age, one thing's crystal clear. The next few years are going to be a wild ride. Will America reclaim its spot as the cosmic superpower? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, you won't want to miss a second of it.